Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is the best hair and makeup transformation ever. If you are new here, please subscribe, ring notification bell, like, comment and share. For returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. I thank you so much for your support. In this video, you're going to learn a whole lot, especially how I achieved this gorgeous look you see here. I started by combing the hair, parted it, packed with a rubber band, or you can tie with a thread, then braided it loosely. Then at the back I did an inner weaving. After weaving it, I stuck it inside, then gelled it. Spread spirits for a stronger hold. Then give it a baby face here with my brush. Held the kinky at the center, then placed it on the head. Twisted half parts of it, rolled it on the hair and held with a bobby pin. Twisted the other side of it and held with a bobby pin too. I used the hair dryer to dry the gel, then sprayed oil sheen spray on it for shine. I brushed the brows downwards, trimmed with the razor blade. Brushed it upwards and trimmed too. Cleaning the face with wipes helps to remove hair that is cut from the brows, impurities, and every other dirt without leaving the face dry. Once you have cleansed the face, the next step is to apply primer. I use milk of magnesia here because it is best for oily face. Using a duo fiber makeup brush, apply foundation all over the skin and blend it down onto the skin. Next, you apply concealer below the eyes in the shape of a triangle. This technique ensures natural looking coverage, brightens up your face and draws the attention to your eyes after you bake with a banana setting powder. Then give it some time for like 10 to 15 minutes for it to set. Line the brows with an eyeliner gel or a pencil liner, generally known as eye pencil. Then swipe on a volumizing eyebrow mascara. With this, your brows is all set. You can as well use the gel liner to draw a hair-like strokes. This will give you the natural eyebrow looking. You can conceal the arc with a concealer that is 2 shades lighter. Then conceal the head, the tail, and above the brows with a concealer that is the color of her foundation or the one that is a shade lighter. Then clean out the excess concealer here. Using a fluffy blending brush, add a matte eyeshadow color to the grays to give them a simple but chic wash of color. Then use a darker shade. Here I went in the shade black and brown. I mixed these two at the corners of the grays. Then applied my eyeshadow primer to the center grease and middle grease, then blended with an eyeshadow blending brush. This will make my light eyeshadow color pop out well and last longer too. Then I gently placed my light eyeshadow color or my nude eyeshadow color there. Using my large fan brush, I dusted out the excess setting powder on her face. Swipe a contour powder on the hollows of your cheekbones to add some shape and dimension to your complexion, along the sides of the nose, then along the forehead, that is near your hairline. Apply your favorite blush color to the apples of the cheek, extending up towards the temples. Apply your lip balm with SPF protection, which is perfect for summertime. Then apply your lipstick and blend with a blending brush. This is for precision application. Yeah, I applied eyeshadow primer to the lower lash line and then applied my eyeshadow there too. Line the upper lash line using my eyeliner gel, which comes in a 2 small pots, to voluminize the lash line. Then line my glitters liner there too. I concealed the lips to make it slimmer and also to remove every excesses at the corners of it. Then highlighted it at the center of it, that is at the V shape of it. Setting spray, as the name implies, locks up makeup. I applied bronzer on the top of the cheeks, on the cubic bone, on the bridge of the nose, to brighten up the areas of my face where the sun naturally hits. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you in my next video.